Let's be honest for a moment. The beauty industry often makes us believe that to have soft, refreshed-looking skin, we have to spend money on expensive creams. But one of the most helpful ingredients for skin is actually sitting right in your kitchen chickpeas. This everyday cooking ingredient can help refine skin textures, support a naturally brighter look, and help the skin feel firmer, especially after age 50. Today, I'm going to share a simple skincare recipe using chickpeas that many people are pleasantly surprised by. You may want to try it right away. Let's get started. First, prepare a clean glass jar. Add 2 tablespoons of chickpeas, a favorite ingredient in mature skincare, because it helps support the skin's firmness, softens the look of fine lines, and contributes to a smoother overall appearance. Next, add 2 teaspoons of white rice. Rice has long been considered a natural renewing secret, helping gently clear dull skin, soften the look of tiny lines, and support a more even tone, leaving the skin feeling smoother. Then pour 300 milliliters of water into the jar so the rice and chickpeas can soften and release their beneficial elements. With that, you've created the base of a skincare blend that supports a brighter, smoother complexion while helping soften the look of wrinkles and slow the signs of aging from coming back. After everything is prepared, let the rice and chickpeas soak overnight for about 12 hours. By soaking long enough, this mixture can gently support a brighter-looking complexion, help even out skin tone, and visibly soften the look of dark spots that often appear in the middle years. After 12 hours, we move to the next step to create a wonderful skincare base. Transfer all the softened rice and chickpeas into a clean bowl. Then use a handheld blender to puree the mixture. You'll see it gradually become smoother and more creamy. By the way, I'd love to know, what city are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. Every time I read where you're from, it truly brings me joy and makes me feel connected to wonderful people from all over the world. Once the mixture is fully blended, strain it through a fine sieve or thin cloth directly into a small pot. This removes any grainy bits and leaves you with a smooth, pure liquid, the essential base for the 2 creams we'll be making in the next steps. Next, place the pot on the stove over very low heat. Stir continuously while it warms so the mixture doesn't form lumps. To be honest, I used to think that beautiful skin required buying expensive creams. But one day, my mother said, "Try this, your grandmother used to make it." At first, I was surprised, but once I tried it, I realized something important. Sometimes the most helpful things are right there in our kitchen, quietly waiting for us. Now we'll divide this mixture into 2 equal portions. Each portion will become a specialized cream for different skin needs. And we'll begin with the first recipe, a cream that supports smoother-looking skin and helps soften the appearance of wrinkles. First, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch into the bowl. Many people refer to cornstarch as a natural skin smoother because it helps the skin feel softer, firmer, and reduces the visibility of fine lines when used consistently. Next, add 1 teaspoon of rice bran oil. This oil is well loved for supporting the skin's keratin production, which helps maintain skin strength, elasticity, and a more lifted appearance. Next, add 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is rich in polyphenols and vitamin E, two powerful natural components that help protect the skin and gently slow the signs of aging, allowing the complexion to look refreshed for longer. Finally, add a few drops of vitamin E. This helps boost moisture and supports the skin's overnight recovery, so you wake up with a softer, smoother feel the next morning. Before applying this to your whole face, test a small amount on a small area of skin first. This helps make sure it suits your skin and allows you to feel more confident when using it. To use this cream, you can apply a thin layer before bedtime, leave it on overnight, and rinse your face in the morning. Or you can apply it for about 40 minutes, then rinse with cool water to help tighten the appearance of pores. With consistent use, you may notice your skin feeling softer, smoother, and brighter. Areas that look dull, dry, or less firm can gradually improve over time. Store the cream in a clean glass jar, seal it tightly, and keep it in the refrigerator. It maintains its best quality for about 10 days. Many of us have wondered, how can I support a brighter complexion, a more even tone and softer looking lines, while staying gentle and safe? If you've been seeking an answer too, this recipe may pleasantly surprise you. Now, let's move on to the second formula. This cream is especially suitable for skin that is beginning to show signs of aging, or for anyone wanting to help prevent early lines from forming. Let's continue. First, add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, a familiar ingredient known for its soothing, moisturizing, and skin replenishing qualities. Next, add 1 pump of avocado oil. This oil is rich in vitamins and natural fatty acids, helping nourish the skin from deep within, leaving it feeling softer and stronger. Then add a few drops of vitamin E to help enhance antioxidant support and assist in skin renewal, especially helpful for mature skin after age 50. Stir everything well until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. This blend helps soften the look of existing lines and supports the skin in resisting new ones, giving the complexion a softer, firmer, and more refreshed appearance. You can use this cream the same way as the first one, and it's best to store it in a clean glass container in the refrigerator. That way you can use it over several days while keeping its quality at its best. Skincare doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With just a few minutes of consistency each day and simple ingredients like rice or chickpeas, your skin can gradually look brighter, softer, and healthier over time. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips. Natural beauty, healthy every day.